welcome back to Continental Food and Cake TV. If today is your first time here, you are highly welcome. My name is Joy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cook jollof rice and tilapia fish. This recipe is very quick to make at home. It takes 35 to 40 minutes to cook this jollof rice for your family. So if you're interested, please keep watching. Do not forget to subscribe if you've not subscribed. Also turn your notification bell so that whenever I upload new video like this, you're not going to miss out. Also give me a big thumbs up, drop your comments. Let's get started. The first ingredients I have is the tilapia fish, washed and cleaned and cut into medium size. To season the tilapia fish, I'm going to add non-cube half, add some salt, add some smoked paprika, mix together until it's well combined. After that, I'm going to transfer to a baking tray. After transferring the tilapia fish to the baking tray, the next step is to transfer to a preheated oven 200 degrees Celsius or 390 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. Next step is to boil the rice. I have my pot in a medium high, then I have the boiling water. I'm going to add 400 grams of golden basmati rice, and I'm going to allow the rice to boil for 10 minutes. To make jollof rice sauce, you need bell peppers, tomato, onion. Here I have 2 bell peppers, 1 long one, 1 large onion, and fresh tomato 5, 2 scotch bonnet, which is optional. I'm going to go ahead and wash it before blending. To blend, I add some water, then blend. You can also use plum tomato if you don't have fresh tomato. When blending tomato for jollof rice, I don't like to blend it smooth. I like to have the little chunk of tomato in the blend. After blending, this is what it looks like. You can see the chunk of tomato in the blend. Now I'm going to check on the rice. I'm going to go to the sink and wash the rice. Next step is to fry the minced beef. I'm going to fry the minced beef until it loses the pinkness and I'm left with dark brown color. And it takes 8 to 10 minutes to fry. At this point, I'm adding some salt. After adding the salt, I'm mixing it together until it's well combined. As you can see, the minced beef is brown in color, dark brown. The next step is to scoop it out in a plate. After scooping out the minced beef, I'm left with the fat and the stock from the minced beef. To that, I'm going to add the blended tomato. After adding it, I'm going to mix it together. To season the tomato sauce, I add 1 teaspoon of chicken seasoning, half a teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of curry powder, half a teaspoon of minced herb. I throw in some bay leaf, add non-cube 1, then add some salt, mix together. After that, I added ginger and garlic. Mix together and fry for 15 minutes. I'm going to be frying this for 15 minutes. I will show you the process in a medium-high heat. You don't want to fry this on a high heat, and you have to stir it frequently. Every 2 to 3 minutes you have to stir it in because you do not want it to burn. And if you notice, I'm not frying with vegetable oil. So this is after 10 minutes of frying. You can see it reduced in size. The liquid is drying up. I'm also going to fry for another 5 minutes. So this is 15 minutes of frying. Look at that. So I'm going to scoop out some of the tomato sauce. I'm going to use this to mix with the tilapia fish. Next, I'm going to add the washed rice. Mix it together until it's well combined. What I love about this jollof rice is that there's no oil. so it's on the healthy side. I'm going to mix together until it's well combined. After mixing together until it's well combined, next I'm going to add hot water, but I'm not adding a lot. I'm just adding enough to cook the rice because the rice is already 40%, 40 to 50% cooked. So the water that I add now is enough to cook it completely. So I'm adding the minced beef, but I'm not going to add all of it. I'll leave some. This amount is enough for me. After adding, I'm also going to mix together until it's well combined. After mixing and mixing until it's well combined, look at that, yummy. Next, I'm going to cover with foil. After covering with the foil, I'm also going to cover the pot with the lid and allow to cook in a low heat for 20 minutes. My cooker is number 1 to 6. I'm going to reduce to number 2. You want to cook the rice in a low heat. After 20 minutes, I'm going to check on the jollof rice. Look at that, yummy, tasty, delicious. You can see that the rice has cooked enough, so you don't need to add too much water on your jollof rice. If you're making your jollof rice, just cover it with the foil, and the heat, the steam is going to help cook the rice. Look at that, and you can see the rice is not sticking together. Perfect cooked jollof rice. To enhance the jollof rice and beautify it, I'm going to add spring onion chopped, then add some green bell pepper and mix together until it's well combined. After that, I'm going to take it off the heat, then move to the next step. The tilapia is ready now. Did you see that? Baked in the oven, not fried. So I'm adding the tomato sauce that I scooped out before. After adding it, I'm also going to mix it together. And as you know, the tomato sauce is already seasoned, so I don't need to add anything. It's tasty already on its own. All I need to do is to mix it together with the tilapia fish until it's well combined in a medium heat. After that, voila, you have your jollof rice and your tilapia fish. So yummy, so yummy in 35 to 40 minutes. That's it. So if you've watched this video to this time, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Check the description box. You're going to find the list of the ingredients. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Hit that button, subscribe, turn on your notification bell so that whenever I upload new video, you'll be the first to get it. Also share this video with anybody that you love in your social media, your WhatsApp. Thank you as you do so. Follow me on Instagram, continentalfood.cake. I love you all from the bottom of my heart, and I will see you in another one. Bye bye.